Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family.
This video is in collaboration with Fruity Summer Picnic DIY Decor Challenge, and this is hosted by the Savvy Crafts with Savannah and the Crafty Queen. The playlist of all the participants and the links of the host and co-host are found in my description box. Let's get started. So this is the final reveal of all my next set of lemon decor. So let me start with the centerpiece, which is one of the charger plate, which had like a buffalo checkered white and black. And I stuck one of the napkin, which had like a big lemon pulp in the center. So I decoupaged it, and on top of it I just decorated with those green leaves. And I stuck two of those yellow floral thing, I don't know what that name is, and then I stuck one of the white flower and some greenery, and I created a bow with several of the lemon themed. One of the lemon kind of a thing that you see, like a yellow and orange one, that I got from Michael's for $1, and the other one is from Dollar Tree, the lemon white on white background. And those are like gingham, orange gingham, green, and I bundle it together with a green jute twine, and I created a bow on the top. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It turned out better than what I pictured, so I'm very happy about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And the next one is this cute fresh lemonade sign, and this is one of the mason jar. And I stuck this lemon scrapbook paper that's from Michael's, and I just cut it according to the size of the mason jar, and I stuck it, and I gave like a baker's twine, green and white, around the lid area, and I wrote like fresh lemonade with those stickers, and I created a bow. Oh, I forgot, I just had 2 straws just to tell that fresh lemonade, and it's so gorgeous. It's like green and white, it's going along with the theme. And I also created a bow with several of the lemon themed. So yeah, this is one of the lemonade sign that I created from Dollar Tree items, and I scattered one of the lemon on the other side. So I'm very happy about this project, so let me know your thoughts on this. And this one is just the garland, and this was one of the coasters that I got from last year, and it has drinks please. And then this garland is from my previous project, so I just stuck that on the other end, and I just circled it with one of the lemon on the top, on top of a pedestal. So this is one of the beautiful sign. I'm just loving it, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the beautiful lemon decor projects that I am in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.